Hello students, today in this video we shall discuss about agriculture. Before going through the details, first watch this picture and observe what is happening there. It is clear that a farmer is doing agriculture in his field with the help of oxes or bulls. So in this chapter we shall discuss agriculture. We should know what is agriculture. Cropping of different types of crops is called agriculture. As we know, India is an agriculturally important country. Two-thirds of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity in India. In India, different types of farming is followed. It is an age-old economic activity in our country. At present, in different parts of India, different types of farming system are practiced. First one is primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in some parts of India. This type of agriculture is done on small patches of land with the help of old tools like digging sticks, etc. This type of farming depends upon monsoon. One type of this kind of farming is also known as slash and burn agriculture. In this type of agriculture, farmers clear a patch of land and produce crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmer shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. In northeastern states of India, still in some patches, this kind of agriculture is followed. It is also known as zooming. In northeastern states such as Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. In Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, it is known as Deepa. Even in many parts of the world, still this kind of agriculture is followed, such as in Mexico, in Venezuela, in Vietnam, etc. etc. Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming in which modern inputs of farming and irrigation are used to obtain higher production. Commercial farming. As it is clear from the name, commercial purposes. The main feature of this farming is that the use of higher doses of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used to get higher productivity. The main purpose of this kind of farming is to produce for market. The degree of commercialization of agriculture is different from one area to another. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha it is a subsistence crop. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. In India, banana, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane are some examples of plantation crops. Cropping pattern. India is having different type of physical features and climatic features. As a result, we are also having different types of cropping seasons in India. In India, we are having three main cropping seasons: Rabi season, Kharif season, and Zayed season. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are generally planted in winter from October to December and in some parts in November, and harvested in summer from April to June. Wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard are some examples of Rabi crops. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh are important states for the production of wheat and Rabi crops. Kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon, and these crops are harvested in September and October. Paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, groundnut, soybean are some main crops grown during this season. Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra are some main states producing Kharif crops in India. Zayed season. In between the Rabi and the Kharif season, there is a short season during the summer months, and this season is known as Zayed season. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops are produced during Zayed season. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we shall discuss major crops in India.